Alright, y'all, so this week is Thanksgiving here in the States. So I figured let's do something simple, and let's do something easy that should be on everyone's Thanksgiving table. We are doing green bean casserole. For this, we obviously have our green beans, we have a can of cream of mushroom soup, some crispy fried onions, some garlic, some onion, and some milk. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Alright, y'all, so we got our casserole dish here. In this case, I got old Betsy. We're going to take 2 cans of our green beans that we've gone ahead and drained. Take our can of cream of mushroom soup. Take 3/4 of a cup of milk. We're going to go ahead and get this well mixed together. Take 1/2 tablespoon of our garlic powder. We're going to take a tablespoon of our onion powder. We're going to go ahead and get this well mixed in. Now we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to go ahead and throw this in there for about 30 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, so after about 30 minutes, we're going to go ahead and pull it out. Don't turn off your oven, we're going to put it back in. Take our crispy fried onions. And we're just going to encase them in with a nice thick top layer. Now we're going to throw this back in the oven for about 5 minutes or so. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, and there we have it. Green bean casserole. I told you we were keeping this simple. We were keeping it easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and until next time, keep on cooking on.